Welcome viewers, welcome to TEC, that is Transform and Empower Through Communication. In this video, I would be sharing with you one topic of grammar, that is article, and even to be very precise, I would be taking up definite article the in this video. So those of you who are preparing for various competitive exams, you can make the most of this channel, that is TAC. So, and moreover, we are here to provide you with complete grammar course through TAC, through our online classes as well as this YouTube channel. So let's take up the first topic of grammar section, that is article. Almost in every competitive exam we have multiple questions from articles, and the articles are even in complex situations. So most of the questions pertaining to definite article the are there. So I have tried my level the best to cover up all those complex usages of definite article the. Here are 11 points. You can see on the board there are 11 points, and as it is evident from the title itself, it is definite article the. जैसा कि टाइटल से ही प्रतीत हो रहा है, definite article the is used to lend some sort of definitiveness. Definite article नाम से पता चल रहा है definite article है, तो कोई भी चीज़, कोई भी adjective, कोई भी noun अगर डेफिनेट है, अपने आप में अनपैरेलल्ड है, उसका कोई पैरेलल नहीं है, यूनिक है, तो उसके साथ में हम डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द लगाते हैं. सो बिफोर रेगुलर नाउन्स, एडजेक्टिव्स, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव केस, वी टेक द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. रिप्रेजेंटेटिव केस में क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे ऐसे नाउन्स होते हैं जो पूरी क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. तो उसमें जब वो क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं तो हम उसके आगे, उस नाउन के आगे, उस एडजेक्टिव के आगे डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द लगा देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, द डॉग इज़ अ फेथफुल एनिमल. ओके, देन बिफोर नेम्स ऑफ कंट्रीज, normally the rule is we don't use definite article the before the names of countries. For example, we cannot say the India, the Russia, the Japan. This is wrong expression. But once the names of the countries are in plural, for example, the United Nations of America, United States of America, and similarly we can talk of the West Indies. So Indies makes it West Indies plural, United States of America plural, therefore it will take definite article the. So you can remember this with plural case. Countries don't take definite article the before their names, but if they are plural, they will take it. The example is the United States of America. Then to indicate positions, we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are the positions, the last. So before these positions, we use definite article the. The first prize goes to so and so, the first rank holder of UPSC, or the fifth boy in the row. So with these positions we use definite article the. उसके बाद हम आगे चलते हैं, तो बिफोर स्पेशल मील्स वी यूज डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द. खाने की जो विशेष दावत होती है उसके लिए नॉर्मली वी डोंट टेक definite, normally it doesn't take definite article the before the meals, but if the meal is specific, then definite article the is used. उसको डेफिनेटनेस देने के लिए डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई लाइक्ड द डिनर गिवन बाय माई फ्रेंड डॉक्टर पिपलानी. सो द dinner that was given to you by your friend makes it special. So I like the dinner. Then proper nouns, comparison case. Normally the rule is we don't use definite article the before proper nouns. Proper nouns are the names. For example, Kalidas was a great Indian playwright. Kalidas was great, but we will not use definite article the before Kalidas. Similar is the example of, we cannot say the Sachin Tendulkar was a great player. But if there is a comparison with these towering figures with someone else, then we use definite article the before even proper nouns. For example, Rohan is the Sachin Tendulkar of our college cricket team. So the comparison between Rohan and Sachin Tendulkar is there, and that's why we use definite article the before Sachin Tendulkar. Similarly, Shakespeare was a great dramatist, poet, playwright, but we don't use the before Shakespeare in general sense. We cannot say the Shakespeare was a great playwright, dramatist or a poet. This expression would be grammatically incorrect. But if we say that Kalidasa or Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India, then Shakespeare will take definite article the. So it is comparison case. Earlier it was plural case before the names of the countries. So you keep these cases in your mind. You make them as a case study, representative case of nouns, adjectives. And now we move on to before languages. Hindi, English, French, Chinese, Japanese. These are the languages and these are the names of the countries also. So we cannot use definite article the before a language. जो भी भाषा होती है उससे पहले definite article द नहीं लगता है. अगर हम उसके आगे द लगा देते हैं तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि that language means the people who speak that language. For example, if I say I teach English, it means I teach English language. I teach English का मतलब ये हुआ मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाता हूँ. अंग्रेजी एज अ भाषा, अंग्रेजी एक लैंग्वेज के रूप में. But if I say I teach the English, it means I teach the people who speak English. I mean the Britishers. Okay, so they represent to, if we use definite article the before the languages, then it means or then it represents the people who speak this language. Next is hospitals, colleges, baths, temples, prison, and market, office, etc. They don't take definite article the if we are referring to these places in general. But other than normal uses अगर है वहाँ पे, आप हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं, कॉलेज जाते हैं, बेड पे जाते हैं, टेम्पल में जाते हैं, प्रिजन में जाते हैं, मार्केट में जाते हैं, अगर वहाँ पे आपका जाने का प्राइमरी पर्पज़ है तो डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द नहीं लगेगा. लेकिन अगर अदर देन नॉर्मल पर्पस, एक नॉर्मल पर्पस क्या होता है मंदिर में जाने का, हॉस्पिटल में जाने का, प्रिजन, मार्केट, स्कूल, कॉलेज, इन सभी जगहों पे हम एक प्राइमरी पर्पस होता है और एक सेकेंडरी पर्पस होता है. अदर देन प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, थर्ड, फोर्थ नहीं कहेंगे हम उसको, अदर देन प्राइमरी और जनरल यूसेज का जो है उसकी हम बात करते हैं. सो नॉर्मली वी गो टू हॉस्पिटल और वी गो इन हॉस्पिटल, वी विजिट हॉस्पिटल if whether we are suffering from some ailment, some disease or we are a doctor. अगर हम डॉक्टर हैं या बीमार हैं और हॉस्पिटल जा रहे हैं तो डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द हॉस्पिटल से नहीं पहले नहीं लगेगा. लेकिन अगर आप हॉस्पिटल में ना आप बीमार हैं ना आप डॉक्टर हैं और किसी और वजह से जा रहे हैं तो डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द लगेगा. देन सिमिलर इज अबाउट द कॉलेज. वी गो टू कॉलेज, वी गो कॉलेज, नॉट गो टू कॉलेज, रादर दिस इज इनकरेक्ट एक्सप्रेशन. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हम कॉलेज की तरफ जा रहे हैं. सो वी गो कॉलेज टू टेक क्लासेस, टू लर्न और टू टीच. देर आर प्राइमरली टू पर्पजेस. सो इवन if we are going there for other than this normal uses of college. For example, you are going college to inquire about the progress report of your ward, your child, then you would use definite article the. I go college to learn mathematics. I go college to study BA honors. then definite article the will not be used. But if you are going college other than the normal purpose of taking education, then you are supposed to use definite article the before college. For example, my father went the college to inquire about my progress. So these are the points which give us directions to use definite article the before college, hospital, or prison, market, temple. For example, the normal uses of going to market is to buy something or to sell something. But if you are going there to do anything else other than buying or selling, then you are to use definite article the before. I went in the market to run a campaigning for my friend who is contesting an election. So going in the market with the purpose of a political campaigning will ask you to use definite article the before market. Let's move on to the next. Before historical events and buildings. जितनी भी historical buildings हैं, the Red Fort and other historical buildings, उनसे पहले definite article the लगता है, और जो historical events हैं उनसे पहले भी definite article the लगता है. The revolt of 1857. The Second World War ended in 1945. So these are the historical events and they will take definite article the before them. Then we have this rule of that we use definite article the before the names of trains, planes, ships. The Titanic, the Rajdhani Express, the Indian Airlines. So we use definite article the before the names of planes, trains and ships. Before certain geographical features like ocean, like river, waterfall, all these they will take definite article the. The Ganges, even holy books, magazines, newspaper, they also take definite article the. But the normal uses of the, which you already know, I have not been paying much heed to them because that you know कि किसी भी धार्मिक पुस्तक से पहले, मैगजीन से पहले, न्यूज़पेपर से पहले डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द लगता है. मैंने आपको वो सब चीज़ें इंट्रोड्यूस करवाने की कोशिश की हैं जो थोड़ी टेक्निकल हैं और जिनसे हम बहुत ज़्यादा फेमिलियर नहीं होते हैं. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक टू यू इन ब्रीफ अबाउट सम ऑफ द ओमिशंस ऑफ आर्टिकल. कुछ एक ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जहाँ पे हम आर्टिकल नहीं लगाते हैं. For example, if we are talking about some proper noun in general sense, we don't use definite article the, like in the example of Kalidas, Sachin Tendulkar and Shakespeare. We also don't use definite article the before collective nouns once they are referred to in general sense, like our actions must benefit humanity. So humanity is a collective noun and we are referring to it in general sense, therefore it will not take definite article the. Proper noun से पहले definite article the नहीं लगाते. For example, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. So not the Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Though position is there, the first, that's why we are using the before first, but we are not using definite article the before Pandit Nehru. Similar is the case with metals. जितनी भी metals होते हैं उनसे पहले definite article the नहीं लगता है. We cannot write the iron or the gold is a precious metal. It's true that gold is very precious, but we cannot use definite article the before gold. And even we don't use definite article the before plural nouns once they are used in general sense. For example, mangoes grow in plenty in this area. Mangoes grow in plenty in this area. It's a general sense that this area is very fertile enough for the mangoes, and that's it in this video on definite article the. In order to make it precise, make it relevant, I have kept it brief. The next part of article about definite, indefinite article a and the would be covered up in the next video, that would be with the article part 2. Kindly stay tuned in to Tech. Thank you.